Have you ever wondered if those expensive supplement tubs on the shelf are truly worth the investment, or if the key to your results lies in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into one of the biggest questions for anyone who trains: expensive supplements or natural food? Which one is really worth it? And the answer might surprise you. Before we dive in, remember, this content is for informational purposes only. Always consult a qualified health professional for personalized advice on your diet and supplementation. Now, let's explore how to make smarter choices for your body. Go ahead and hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss any tips. Let's start with natural food. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, these are the pillars of a healthy diet. They provide vitamins, minerals, fibers, and macronutrients in their most bioavailable form, meaning your body absorbs and uses them best. Think of an apple. It doesn't just have carbohydrates, it also has fibers that regulate sugar absorption, vitamins, and antioxidants that protect your cells. The synergy of nutrients in real food is something no supplement can fully replicate. Many studies, such as those published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, reiterate the importance of a diet rich in whole foods for overall health and performance. Do you already feel the benefits of a balanced diet in your training? Let me know in the comments. Now for supplements. Don't get me wrong, they have their place. For specific deficiencies, convenience, or for high-performance athletes with very high nutritional needs, a supplement like creatine, whey protein, or vitamin D can be useful. But for most people seeking health and improved training, they are not the first line of defense. The problem arises when supplements become the basis of the diet, or when miracles are expected from a powder while the diet is a mess. Many products are expensive, have low absorption, or are unnecessary for most people. It's like trying to build a house with an incredible roof, but no solid foundation. So, which is worth it? The answer is clear. Natural food is the non-negotiable, the foundation. It should always come first. Invest your time and money in quality foods. Understand what your body needs and provide it through a varied and balanced diet. If and only if you already have an impeccable diet and still identify a specific need with the guidance of a professional, then and only then can a supplement be considered as a complement, never as a substitute. Think about it. A nutritious breakfast with eggs, fruits, and oatmeal will give you energy and nutrients for hours. Much more than a protein shake alone. Your body was made to process real food. What's your take on this? Have you spent a lot on supplements and regretted it? Or have you discovered the power of natural food? Share your experience in the comments. And if you liked this content and want more real science-backed tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. See you next time!